Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we'll show you how to check call forwarding on iPhone. So, let's dive right in. Locate and tap on the Settings app icon, which resembles a gear, on your home screen. Scroll down the Settings menu, and tap on Phone. This option typically appears after Messages and FaceTime. Tap on Call Forwarding, which is usually located towards the bottom of the list under the Calls section. On the Call Forwarding screen, you'll see the current status. If call forwarding is enabled, you'll notice a toggle switch turned on, indicating that calls are being forwarded to another number. To change the status of call forwarding, simply tap on the toggle switch. This action will enable or disable call forwarding as per your preference. There is another way to check call forwarding on an iPhone. Open the phone app on your iPhone and dial *21#, followed by the call button. You'll immediately see information about your call forwarding settings on the screen, including whether it's enabled or disabled. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.